Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get the breakfast nook inside of Subnautica 2 so you can add this decorative base building chunk to your base. So the nook you can find in a data box or a little blueprint box somewhere out in the world. There's two particularly good spots to find it, and I'm going to show you where to grab it here today. So the first spot that you can find it is actually just to between the south and southeast of the life pod, between 150 and 165-ish, in the side of the sulfur zone in a big shipwreck. You should be able to find it kind of over here. It's just kind of off to the side of this big spire in the middle that contains one of the colonist bunkers, and we're looking for this bad boy right here. This is where you should be able to find the data box along with some different materials. So this is the data box right here. You should be able to hear it beeping. This should give you the nook in question. And then there's some other goodies here as well. You've got the diving elevator. You've got the rebreather. I forget how many fragments you need of that. You've also got a fragment of the bioreactor, which, in my opinion, is a little overrated, amongst some other little goodies strewn about this mess. And then if that one doesn't do it for you for whatever reason, or you want a different location, you'll need the heat adaptation for this next spot. And then we're going to go sort of to the east, into the active lava zone. And you can kind of see where it is because the water starts to turn a boiling, bubbling color. And we're looking for all these crabs here that are all dead. And then somewhere inside of, here it is, directly to the north of all these dead crabs is going to be this little kind of oval-shaped cave, and inside of here you will find a bunker. Go ahead and head on into this bunker, and you will find another data box. This should also contain the nook in question. There's also an upgrade biobed that you can grab along with some other fragments, including a power storage fragment. So you've got a little bit of everything in here that you can kind of scan. And that's it. That's where you can find a couple different places to get the blueprint for the nook inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one. Oh, and the nook itself, if you're curious, where did it go? I was just looking at it. It requires just some titanium and a couple pieces of glass, as you would assume. Just keep in mind that you have to add the nook to a room or to your base before you decorate in that room, or else it won't allow you to build it because it'll assume that it's being obstructed.